Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin by verifying the fundamentals. Confirm the exact sender and recipient addresses and fix any typos or alias issues, because most bounces stem from simple mistakes. Next, check your Gmail storage and mailbox limits. If you're over quota, messages will bounce. Read the bounce code in the delivery report to see whether it's a temporary 4XX error or a permanent 5XX refusal. That distinction changes what you do next. Once done, collect the full DSN or SMTP response for deeper debugging. Now diagnose why mail is rejected. Start with the SMTP or DSN details. If SBF, DKIM, or DMARC fails, update DNS records and sign outbound mail to prove authenticity. If IP reputation or rate limits are cited, pause bulk sends and check sending history. Consider using authenticated Gmail SMTP or a reputable relay. Also review Gmail settings, filters, forwarding, pop/IMAP, and remove misrouted rules. Finally, inspect attachments and content. Finish by validating your fixes. Send controlled test messages from the fixed account to the original recipient and to an alternate address. Simplify content and attachments to isolate causes. Make sure DNS changes and authentication propagate. Allow up to 48 hours, and then recheck headers for passing SBF/DKIM/DMARC. If bounces persist, gather headers, DSN codes, timestamps, and sample bounce messages, and escalate to Gmail support or the recipient's mail administrator. One troubleshooting tip: replicate with a different network or SMTP relay to rule out IP blocking.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.